Hey crew, welcome to Moonrakers Mission Control. In this video, we're going to be talking about the default loadout in Moonrakers. As I had said in the previous video, Moonrakers is a deck building negotiating game. And in any deck building game, you have a default loadout. So every player starts out with a command terminal in front of them in which they can upgrade their ship with ship parts. It also indicates where their draw pile goes and where their discard pile goes. But it also shows right here the default loadout for every player that every player starts with. 3 reactors, 2 thrusters, 2 shields, 2 damages, and 1 miss. So let's take a look at those cards in a default loadout. So as you begin the game, you'll start out with 10 cards in your deck. The reactor gives you +2 actions. So at the beginning of your turn, as you're completing contracts, you get 1 action. But when you play reactor, you get 2 more actions. Damage does +1 damage. Certain contracts require a certain amount of damage. You begin the game with 1 damage. There are also +2 damage and +3 damages available throughout the game. Shield. A shield blocks 1 hazard. When you accept a contract, you roll hazard die. A hazard die will actually take down prestige. A shield is able to block hazards to where you do not lose prestige. A miss card initially does nothing, but there are cards that can actually utilize a miss. And a thruster allows you the ability to draw 2 cards. So this is your default deck that every player starts out with. When you begin the game, you'll shuffle, and then you will draw 5 cards. This is your initial hand that you will start with. You will take a look at these cards, you will look at your contracts, and you will see what you can best complete. Remember, you only get 1 action when you start your turn. Reactor gives you +2 action. Shield blocks 1 hazard. Damage does 1 plus damage. And thruster allows you to draw 2 cards. So that is your default loadout in Moonrakers. Mission Control signing out.